Chef here, real quick, using the turbo knife here to cut some ultra thin slices on these eggplants and zucchinis. You can see how nice and thin these pieces are, looking really, really good like this. You can take these and you can split them even thinner if you want to. Check it out. Nice thin slices. Yeah, I'm just putting together a little bit of a vegetarian lasagna here today. You can make rolls and stuff these. Just giving you some ideas what you can do, but it all starts with super sharp knife like this. Turbo. Turbo. Ask yourself, can your knife do this? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking. Yeah. Have a great day. How does it look? How does it look? Yeah, pretty good. I tell you, this turbo knife, cutting edge. Learn more about it at your sponsor. Sponsor, once again, is right up there. Get cooking and have a great day. Yeah. The finished lasagna. Looking really good. And I think I'm going to put just a touch of cheese on there. A little bit of this Parmigiano Reggiano. Yeah. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day.